Okay guys, today I'm going to do a review of a web-based software called SociEmpire. SociEmpire will help you to find influencers and to convert those influencers in your clients, and also to build and maintain mailing list of those clients. So with that being said, let me just jump to my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, I'm here on SociEmpire sales page, and here you can see beginner-friendly done-for-you client system. Pocket $100 to $500 in sales. Here you can see intro video. Here you can see no need to sell. The system does it for you. 100% beginner friendly. It really is beginner friendly. Step-by-step training. It really is step-by-step training. No need for phone sales. No closing scripts needed. No tech skills. Plug and play software included. Hosted for you. It really is hosted for you, so no need to download software and install it. It is cloud-based software. Hungry audience need you. When you scroll here you can see some testimonials. Here you can see how this system works. Activate agency, activate traffic, clone, copy, paste, and get paid. So basically, SociEmpire will help you to find clients, to actually find influencers on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and so on, and convert them in your clients. And when you scroll here you can see SociEmpire is first and only social influencer system, finds clients for you, sends automated email follow-ups, gives you done-for-you hosted funnels, brings repeat customers. And when you scroll here you can see why influencers need SociEmpire. Basically, they're explaining here that Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on, they do not belong to you. They do not belong to those influencers. So basically, Facebook can change the rules and those influencers can lose all of their fans, their Facebook fan page, their Instagram followers, Instagram pages, Twitter pages, and they will lose everything. And that is why they need SociEmpire to convert those followers, to convert those Facebook fans into their mailing list. And SociEmpire will help them to do exactly that. Well, actually, it will help you to do that for your clients, for those influencers. And of course, you will charge that to your clients, to those influencers. And here you can see they here explain the solution. You need to build a mailing list for those clients, for those influencers. Contact their audience, grow their audience, engage with their audience, monetize their audience, and sell high ticket offers and make affiliate commission for your clients. And like I said, your clients, those influencers, will pay you monthly fee for all of this here, for all the things that you do here with help of SociEmpire. And when you scroll here you will see what exactly you get. So you get fully cloud hosted. It really is cloud hosted, professionally designed. Here you can see one of the funnels, and I will actually in a minute log into my back office to my dashboard and show you how these funnels looks. Highly converting sales copies. So this is the sale copy, this is the landing page they actually created a sales pages for you, so you don't have to do that. Completely customizable. It really is. You can customize everything here. You can literally redesign these sales pages. Written for you email series, so you don't need to write emails. They actually prepared emails for you, and it will automatically send those emails. You don't even need to send those emails. Set up in a moment. You can really set up this system in just 5 minutes. And when you scroll here you can see done for you funnels for your clients. Here you can see step-by-step video training. It really is step-by-step video training. It really is helpful. And not just that, but they will actually give you affiliate marketing tutorial. And when you scroll here you can see more about this software. And when you scroll here you can see how exactly these funnels works. Here you can see exact system how they works. Here you can see some testimonials, and here you can see how this SociEmpire system works. Go live, drive traffic, get paid, deliver. And when you scroll here you will see they will actually add 2 new done for you funnels every month. And here you can see they will actually send unlimited follow-up emails every day, every month to your funnel, to the people on your mailing list. Here you can see more testimonials. Here you can see they have 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't like this system or you don't get results that you expected, you can actually get your money back in next 30 days from the time that you bought this software. And here you can see they actually have two plans, personal plan and agency plan. I have agency plan, this one here, and in a minute I will log into my dashboard so you can see how this looks. Here you can see personal account doesn't have these options here, and in reality you don't really need these options, and in reality you can use agency account as a personal account as well, and that is exactly my plan. I will use agency account to build my own mailing list from my own Instagram followers and make money from that list. And when you scroll here you can see frequently asked questions and answers on those questions. So this is their sales page, this is what they promise. So let me just log into my dashboard and show you how this actually looks. So this is the first page when you log into SociEmpire, and this is actually a training videos. Here you can see set up your system and get your first sale. So basically this is how to set up system to get your first client. And here you can see cloning, customizing and delivering to your client. So basically this here is to how to set up system to send emails to your client's mailing list. So let me just click here on set up your system, and here you can see the videos. This is the intro video. Here you can see how to set up your account, how to activate your agency website, and so on and so on. Now, I strongly suggest to go through all of these training videos, through all of these setup videos. Well, I actually suggest you to open training videos in one tab and then your dashboard in another tab, so you can switch from one tab to another tab. So in case you don't know how to set up something, so simply go on the first tab, find that video and see how to set up that. So this is your dashboard. So this is how your dashboard will look. As you can see here, I have an agency account, and obviously first thing you need to do, you need to set up your account. So here on the left side, click on settings. Okay, obviously first thing you need to do, you need to set up your payment. You can add your PayPal email. If you don't have PayPal, simply go and open PayPal, or you can simply tell people to wire you money. And what is great about this system is you can actually add your ClickBank ID, and every time you promote something to your mailing list, it will automatically add your ClickBank affiliate link. It will automatically create your ClickBank affiliate link. You can promote that to your own list or to your client's list. And if ClickBank doesn't work in your country, you can add your JV Zoo ID, Warrior Plus ID, or Pay Kickstart email. And then just click here on Save Settings, and that's it. You will set up this. Also, another great thing is you can also add custom domains, and another great thing is you can add autoresponders. Now, SociEmpire have their own autoresponder, but if you wish to create your own mailing list on your own autoresponder, you can actually connect your own autoresponder. Aweber, GetResponse, Mailchimp, Zapier, and so on and so on. Simply click here on Authorize, and you can connect these and create your own mailing list. Now, after you set up everything, now you need to make your funnels. So you can simply click here on Builder, and you can build your own funnels, custom funnels. Here you can see lead magnet funnel, video funnel, webinar funnel, review funnel, quiz funnel is still not working. It's coming soon. Social lead funnel, and just click here on Create. And you can create your funnel. As you can see here, you can click on select template and make your funnel, as you can see here. But if you don't want to do this, you don't have time, or you don't know how to do this, you can simply use one of the funnels that they already made for you. And to do that, simply click here on funnels, and you will come to this page here, and here you can see available funnels. And to edit those funnels, just click here on edit pages, and you can edit any of these 4 pages. So let me just click here on landing page. So this is your landing page. This is where you will send initial traffic in order to convert them in your clients. So this is how your landing page looks like. As you can see, it really is a good landing page. It is really professional looking landing page, and you can edit literally anything you want. just click here, and here you can edit everything, general, and you can edit what it says here. You can edit style, you can go on advanced editing, and just play with this, see all the things that you can do. You can also edit this thing here, you can edit these photos, you can edit this video, you can edit these buttons, you can, like I said, you can send these people on SociEmpire mailing list, or you can simply send them to your, for example, GetResponse mailing list or MailChimp mailing list. And you can literally, like I said, edit everything. You can even edit this background photo. You can literally customize everything here. And after you finish everything, just click here on done, and then just click here on publish, and that's it. You will finish this. And you will actually need to edit this last page here. Just click here on this page, because you will need to add your payment option. You only have PayPal as you saw there, but you can add, if you want, but you can add payment via credit card or bank account or Stripe or some other payment option. Just scroll here on the bottom and just edit this field here and add payment option that you want. Now I will not show you how to do that, because like I said, they have a really good tutorial on how to do all of these things. Please watch those tutorials and they will explain you how to add more payment options on your pages. So let me just close this, and let me just close this, and let me just show you another funnel. So let me just click here on edit pages, and let me just click here on landing page, and this is how this social media influencer 2 landing page looks, actually how this funnel looks. And this is a really simple landing page. All they have to do is just add their email, and then they will send, SociEmpire will send them emails that will convert those people into clients. So you literally don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just send traffic to this page here. And you can customize everything. You can change this, you can change this, you can change these fields here, you can change these social buttons here, social media buttons here. Like I said, you can customize everything here. So now when you have your funnel ready, now you need to start sending traffic. So just click here on done for you traffic, and there are two ways to send traffic. There is a free way, and that basically means that you need to send traffic to the landing page of that funnel, or to use your client's Instagram page, Facebook fan page, Twitter page, Pinterest page, or whatever, to send traffic from their pages to the funnel and convert those people on your mailing list, on your client's mailing list. Or another option is a paid option. So you basically need to pay to SociEmpire to send you traffic. And all you have to do is just click here on get traffic now. And here you need to choose the business. So let's say internet marketing, click here and then click on next. Now I didn't create any funnels yet, so I actually cannot use this option yet, but I'll just show you how this looks, and also you will see all the available templates that you can use for your client. So here you can see all the available templates on different niches, in this case in internet marketing niche. And as you can see here, there is lots and lots of templates, more than enough to make a good money by sending emails, automated emails, done for you emails, and make money. And like I said, you can use this for yourself. You don't need to get clients. I will use this for myself, because I have big pages on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. So basically you will need to select one of these funnels, and then you will need to pay to SociEmpire to send traffic, to actually send message to their own list of influencers. And that is actually not that cheap. You will usually need to pay $100 for 100 messages, and that doesn't guarantee that you will get a one client. So that is, in my opinion, not that good, especially if you are a beginner, especially if you are just starting. It is better solution to actually send traffic by yourself. And if you have any questions, you can simply click here on help, and you can get help from their support. Here you can see questions, and you can also contact their support. And also, if you are on agency level, you can simply click here on Mastery and you will access to their affiliate marketing class, to their affiliate marketing training that will help you to make even more money. So these are the basic options that you will mostly use. And like I said, play with this software, see all the things that this software can do. So my final verdict is I will actually use this software to build my own mailing list by driving traffic from my own Instagram pages and from my own Twitter pages. And like I said, I will build those mailing lists and I will make money by promoting affiliate products, mostly ClickBank affiliate products. And like I said, my final verdict is you should use this software. They do have 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, they will give you money back. So this is my review of SociEmpire.